Hey guys, this tutorial is actually for anyone that uses Zbrush frequently. Not everyone knows how to change up the user interface quickly and easily. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to change the UI from this to this. Now, let's get started. Now, with Zbrush, you can customize the user interface to whatever you like. It's a lot like Photoshop in that sense. But the difference between those two, with Photoshop, the customizability is already unlocked. But with Zbrush, you need to sort of enable it first. So to do so, we just need to go into our preferences and click on Enable Customize. Now that Enable Customize is turned on, as you can see with the UI, it's changed in a way, slightly. You can see that everything's sort of pushed down and pushed out a wee bit. This kind of indicates that you can just drag and drop whatever you want from Zbrush to select your user interface, like that. And in order to do something like that, you just need to hold down Control and Alt, and just click on the button and just drag. As easy as that. Now, alright, let's grab something a bit more useful. Let's say brushes, for instance. You have a multitude of brushes that you would normally use all the time for, say, like your characters. But the issue is, it's only just one button. And you need to sort of do like a couple of clicks here and there just to sort of get access to those brushes quickly. So, one way to sort of change that up would be to add these brushes to, say, like your customizable menu. Say with the brush menu here, you have access to these little mini brushes, but the problem is you might not have the brushes that you would usually use on here, like to sort of add to my custom menu. So in order to do that, we just need to click on the brushes that we need, that we normally use once more. Now you might think that clicking on those brushes doesn't really do much, but you can go back to your menu and you can see that the list of brushes is built up. So from here, you can just click on Control and Alt again and just drag it to our menus. Just like that. Okay, for this part, we're going to need to stretch out the user interface to actually give us a bit more space for customizing the menu a bit more. So, in order to do so, we just need to hold down Control and Alt and just click and drag our buttons here. And just bring it close to the edge, and when you let go, it stretches out the menu. And if you want to sort of shrink it down a little bit, you can actually sort of just drag these brushes back a bit more, and it shrinks down the menu automatically. You can also switch out the user interface elements here like this, in this section here. But as you can see with some of them, like here, you don't have access to your poly count information or any other UI element that you might find useful. So for something like that, you just need to go into stuff like your preferences, your MISC, and right here is where you would find stuff like this. So, like with everything else in the customize section, you can just hold down Control and Alt, click and drag, and you have that ready for yourself. That. So, in order to see if your UI, say if you don't want to lose it when you restart Zbrush, you just need to click on Store Config, which saves the user interface for you, like that. So, and if you want to sort of restore older user interfaces as well, you could also load the UI from this button. And you can also bring your UI back to the default setting if you want to, right here. That's about it for the tutorial itself. I hope this is useful for you guys, and I hope to catch you all in the next time